What's good, y'all? It's your boy Barry, and I'm back with another banger film, man. And in today's video, you guys can tell by the title, I will be unboxing my new camera. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and you comment down below. And yeah, let's get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. That's what it looks like so far. So it comes. Here it is. Here's the bad boy. Had a little glare, but my bad, y'all. That's it the right way. Yeah. This is it. We'll need this. This is the what I've been waiting for. You know what I'm saying? So this is the Panasonic G7 DMC G7K. You feel what I'm saying? And it's 4K, so you can shoot in 4K with it. 4K, 24 frames or 30 frames per second. Don't quote me on that, but somewhere around there. We'll need these. We'll need these. Just a manual. And then this just comes like with the CD and all that good stuff. So this, I guess, tells you about the lenses. So I'll be reading this later. The CD, I'm not gonna use. And then, yeah, all the extra stuff, I don't need to care about. So we're gonna set that off to the side. Hopefully y'all can see. Well, let's take this off first. This is him. This is him. You know what I'm saying? This is him. Sheesh. You know what I'm saying? Can y'all see? Panasonic Lumix G7X. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is my first DSLR camera, you guys. The first camera I've used to start up my YouTube channel was a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The Mark III came out already, but I wanted to get that one, but I didn't. Chose to get this one instead. So like I said, this is my first DSLR. Has a viewfinder and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's a real nice camera. Has a dial. This is for like I guess the shoot settings, so like the picture settings. Has another dial. Yeah, most of these dials I still have to get accustomed to. I don't really know, but I'm gonna learn how to use the camera, of course. It has another dial over here, so you guys can see. So there's one dial, two dial, three dials. So yeah, camera looks real nice, and it also has a screen. Screen you're able to open up and you can turn. How neat is that? Like I was saying, this is the camera. You're able to turn it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And again, the dials. So one dial here, one dial right here, one dial right here, and another one right here, or right here. So this is him. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side, like right here. Comes with a strap. So then you can put it around your neck, you know. I'm most likely be using this, maybe. So that's that. Put that to the side. So I'm guessing this is this is the lens for the actual camera itself. Now I'm gonna tell you guys which one it comes with. I don't know if it comes with one or two. Yeah, so it comes with one lens. Some people say it comes with two, but this one came with one, so it is what it is. This is a 14 by 42 lens. Real nice. You're able to, of course, zoom in, out, focus, all of that stuff. So yeah, it's real nice. This is a lens for it. Put the lens to the side. And then the rest of these are the miscellaneous things such as the charger or the transfer cable, you know, to transfer your pictures to and whatnot. Is that a, yeah. I don't know if you guys see that. So that's that. Oh, I thought, so that's weird. I don't know what this cable's for. I'll find out. If not, you guys let me know what it's for in the comment section. Sure, this is the charger. I don't know. I'm gonna figure this out. I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. But yeah, so this is like a power bank so that you can plug it to the wall, right? I'm assuming to charge the camera. So that's what it looks like. That to the side. And we have the actual charging piece where you put the battery into. That's what that looks like. Real nice, and it has like a charge LED here to let you know when the charge is low or when the charger, or when it's done charging. Last but not least, we have a battery pack. This one feels bulky. On the Canon G7X Mark II, the camera is more, the battery is more small. It's sort of like smaller than this. This one's more bulky and smaller, so I'm hoping the charge on this will last me pretty long. So hoping it does. If not, then I'll have to get a couple more. Hold on. Let me focus. There we go. But you guys get it though. This is it. So yeah. That's it. Nothing else comes inside of the box. All right, you guys. So I did a time lapse for y'all so y'all can see how I put it together. And so this is what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? It's a real nice camera. Real nice fluid. Haven't tested it out yet, of course, but I can tell by when I turn it on the way it looks. Oh, yeah. So this is my my Panasonic Lumix G7X. And yeah, this is the unboxing. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the video down below, and I will see you guys soon.